I went full criminal. I'm a hood.
Yeah, or no patch on your eye.
Black hole's crushing heart. At the center of every black hole lies something that breaks the laws of physics. Picture trying to stuff an entire star into something smaller than a dot on this screen. Our equations say that at this point that matter gets crushed into this and zero. Scientists don't actually think infinite anything exists.
I love you. Let me go back to this lady, try to figure out what she's doing here from San Diego. She's gonna fight it, but I'm gonna make her talk to me. Husband? Is that your husband? Maybe? You don't know? Is that a guy that sleeps next to you with a breathing machine on his face? And that is not your husband. If he didn't have a breathing machine, that'd be your boyfriend. You both have yellow wristbands on? Are you going to a Lance Armstrong event afterwards? Are you going to a bun-balled event? Oh, God, please don't tell me you have that, too. One eye, one ball. Is there anything you can't keep a pair of? You have one ball? Oh, my God. Can you cry out of that one? How long have you two been married?
We're not married.
You're not married? Oh, my God. Want to bring something up right now, sir? Want to take an onion ring out and put it on her finger? How long have you been dating? 45 years. You've been dating for 45 years? Holy sh**.
I went full criminal, walked straight into an Arby's drive-thru at midnight, and now I've got a bag of roast potatoes,
mozzarella sticks.
Y'all know the drill. Smash that follow button before I glue my digestive tract shut with roast beef.
Smells
and
after
drop
running
a
through a
comment what
swamp.
fast food I should try next.
We started up like a fucking part, and they said it wasn't dog when they told us have faith. So we barged in the chicken truth garden, forbidden fruit carved and got a hold of that taste. They kept it away from us, now we are waking up. No conversation, just give it up. Now those stars are fake, we crushed all of it fake. The blood rolling a nation that chickens.
Let's get into it. Number 10. The pixelation limit. There's a smallest possible unit of space. It's called the Planck length, roughly 1.6 times 10 to the negative 35th meters. Smaller than that,